So my cousin gave me these snap-on boots that she wants me to make a purse out of, you guys. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, trying to turn these into a cute bag of some sort. I thought this was pretty interesting, so I guess this was the boot part that snapped on to the shoe. I'm not too sure. I've never seen anything like this, but they're very pretty. It's like a pretty velvety material, and the inside is lined with this cheetah print, which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's see what we can make with these. That's pretty interesting. Okay, so I cut them open at the seams, and we have a good bit of fabric. This is what we have so far. The rhinestones are really pretty. The snaps are pretty interesting. I'm not sure if I can keep those and do something with them. So let's go ahead and create something awesome with these.